You see, for those of now Edo people, when they follow that this one I call na governor, that referent, they call him governor. With those ones where they follow and the shout Edo is shining. You see here, now typical Igbo people, their village. Look at typical village, like village. When you say village, like from main town to here now, I spent up to like 3,000 naira. Typical village, like village inside village. You see road. For those of now when they follow that governor, they shout Edo is shining. I pity for now. Tomorrow now will come outside. They talk say Igbo this, Igbo that. Those people get sense personal. Una attitude they shock me. Like I don't see the reason why when I grow up, they see dreams say na Edo people be one of the most wisest people when I don't ever see for my life, and I'm proud to come from Edo State. But as things goes on, if they begin turn into manipulation, una don't use politics scatter Edo finish. Imagine, look at, and there is still more village inside here. Look at a typical village. There is light, there is road. Mokuna dey even inside Benin town, year to year, Edo is shining. Year to year, Edo is shining. Una no fit do common road for town. Una no fit do common road for town. See typical village. Typical village, see am. Solar light everywhere. See am. Typical village. Una go dey come outside tomorrow, they talk say Igbo this, Igbo that. Igbos has never been our problem. Igbos has never been any of our problem. I'm ashamed to even see when an Edo man will come outside and be criticizing Igbo people. You get? The earlier we guys wake up, the better for us. Look inside typical village. Just look. If I tell you from the distance I came to this place, you will be shocked. Who no go dey proud of him place? Una go dey follow this thing APC, they were called up and down. They useless una place. Tomorrow, una children go soon grow up, come meet una for that condition. Whose story una go tell una children?